but they don't put the fires out when we need them to. Now, I saved this from yesterday. Check out this blast of energy that goes up right into the well, not quite Washington, Carolinas. Now, sometimes you get stitching errors in this, and this doesn't quite look like a stitching error. It just looks like something messed up. They're usually in S patterns when you get the stitching error. What I wanted to do is see if it affected the atmospheric river. That's when you know things are going on, because like if you go over to the worldview map right now, they are definitely steering these atmospheric rivers coming out of the Arctic, going all the way up, south of Rio de Janeiro. But look at this straight line, man, for thousands of miles. And what's funny, it's got a matching one over here going into Madagascar. And there was a hurricane right here. Look, you can still see the eye. These things are all being steered and manipulated. They shouldn't be in straight lines. Look at every other atmospheric river on the whole map is swirling like a wave. When you get them being perfectly straight for thousands of miles, these things are being pulled with the electromagnetics and the other technologies that they use. Go ahead and get out of that. I guess we'll go ahead and just take a quick look at the worldview map while we're here. Now, just the other day, I haven't checked this to see if we got bunker fuel out here today. Let me just check real quick. I'm going to check real quick here if my mouse will cooperate. So right now, I'm not seeing any bunker fuel ships in the Pacific. Let's check the Atlantic real quick. All right, so I'm not seeing. So basically, they just shut off. Even though we got all these ships off the coast, they're not running on the bunker fuel. They're running on the good fuel. Remember, just a day ago, or a couple of days ago, we've been getting these freaky faces, these demon faces. And what's crazy is these demon faces are full of the bunker fuel. See if I get it to load. So you see the billowing out lines of the nasty toxic emissions. But look at that. That's a face. It's looking right up towards Los Angeles, San Francisco, full of bunker fuel. This was 2 days ago. And yesterday, I think we still had bunker fuel way up here, a couple of them. This is all part of the steering mechanism for the winds. We had that spring. We had this one. I know we had like a couple of faces. I'm not going to back up too far. All right, so it looks like they're really spraying a bunch of aerosols over Washington, Oregon. Got mass deployment. So look at these big fat lines. So they got like the super spreaders right here. These guys are spreading toxic fumes all of Washington, synthetic clouds, all the way up into Canada. Just kind of looking around. Looks like we got fire, smoke, or dust. We got something out here. Yeah, some kind of fire, smoke, or dust. That's quite a bit of smoke right there. Just check all the layers. So there's really nothing in that layer. So we got some kind of a dust storm or something going on out here. And let me go back one day to see if I can find where it originates. We had chemtrails. Yeah, so there's something definitely going on out here. And look, you can see the frequencies in it. We do got a few fires here, but it's not enough smoke to put that off. It's got to be dust.